I am not trying to deceive you. I am not trying to sell you dreams. I am not trying to sell you false hope. All I'm giving you is a genuine remedy for your hair growth. You see this right here? This is the answer to all your hair problems. And it is basically made with water with a mixture of powerful herbs that will have your hair growing like a weed. Within a month of consistent use, I kid you not, you will not be able to recognize your hair. And this video is basically for those who believe in the power of natural ingredients. And without talking too much, let's get into the video. I am really sorry for the break in transmission, guys, but I need your help. I recently started a faceless motivational channel. I need your support. Please, I want you all to check the description of this video where you will see the link to my new channel. Please help me watch the video over there and drop a comment telling me that you came from this channel. I really appreciate that. Thank you. We are using the holy trinity of hair growth in this video. I am talking about onions, ginger and garlic. I will also be adding a cherry on top just to mask the smell of the onions. I had to quickly inform you on time so you won't start panicking. This recipe has been used for centuries to treat alopecia, hair thinning, slow growth and dormant hair follicle. If you're patient enough, then you will find out why it is called the holy trinity of hair growth. While I am preparing the ingredients, let's understand why you're losing your hair. If you don't understand the problem, then you will not respect the solution. Everyone's hair goes through 3 phases. The anaging phase, which is the growth phase. Then the cataging stage, which is the transitioning stage. Then we have the teloging stage, which is the shedding stage. In a typical healthy scalp, 85 to 90% of your hair is in the anaging phase, which is the growth phase. But for many people, the number has dropped due to stress, diet, hormonal changes like DHT production and clogged hair follicle that pushes your hair into the teloging phase. This means that your hair stops growing and starts sleeping. It becomes dormant. Your hair starts to shed. This recipe is designed to push your hair back into its anaging phase. We are not just coating your hair to make it soft and shiny. That is what conditioners do. This recipe is designed to treat your scalp, not the strands. Your scalp is like the soil in which your hair grows out from. If the soil is toxic or lacking nutrients, the plant will die. In no particular order, let's talk about the first trinity of our recipe. Onions, specifically the red onions. This is the cornerstone of our recipe. It comes down to one word: sulfur. Your hair is made up of a protein called keratin. Keratin is rich in sulfur. It gives your hair strength. It gives it elasticity and structure. When you have sulfur deficiency in your scalp, your hair becomes brittle and it breaks easily. The red onions are chemically dense with dietary sulfur. When you apply the juice on your scalp, you are essentially feeding the building block of your hair directly from the root. But there is something else in onions that nobody talks about. It is an enzyme called catalase. Have you noticed your hair thinning or turning gray prematurely? That is often due to buildup of hydrogen peroxide in your hair follicle, which destroys the pigment and weakens the strands. But the catalase present in onion juice can break down the hydrogen peroxide. This simply means that if you are experiencing hair thinning or premature graying, applying onion juice on your scalp can take care of it. Next, we have ginger. If onions is the food, then ginger is the delivery guy. You can have all the nutrients in the world sitting on your scalp. But if there's no blood flow to the scalp, your hair will starve. That is what ginger is all about. The hair follicle is fed by a tiny blood vessel called capillaries. When these capillaries shrink or circulation is poor, the hair dies. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol. It is a circulatory stimulant. When you apply ginger on your scalp, you feel the warmth and slight tingling sensation. That is the feeling of your capillaries dilating. That is the feeling of blood rushing through the surface. By adding ginger to this spray, we are forcing blood flow to the scalp. The blood carries the oxygen and sulfur from the onions directly into your hair bulb. I'm simply saying that without the ginger, the onions will just sit on your scalp. But with ginger, it will penetrate deep into your hair follicle. The third member of our trinity is garlic. Many people suffer from hair loss due to scalp issues like fungi, bacteria, dandruff, yeast and so on that can clog your hair follicle. If the hair follicle is clogged with sebums and bacteria, the hair cannot push through. It becomes impacted and stops growing. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is one of the most powerful natural antioxidant and antifungi in the whole world. By putting garlic into the spray, we are sterilizing the hair follicle. I mean, we are cleaning up the scalp. We are killing the yeast that causes dandruff. We are getting rid of all the obstacle that is physically blocking your hair growth. It is also helping specifically for traction alopecia by strengthening the collagen in your skin, helping your scalp hold onto the hair roots more tightly. I know lots of you would rather smell like a snack than to smell like an onion. That is where the cinnamon stick comes in, but I'm going to be honest with you, it is not going to take the scent off totally. Apart from helping reduce the smell of garlic and onions, cinnamon is very unique, and this is because its chemical structure binds with the sulfur compound in the onions and garlic. Apart from that, it helps tighten the skin. After you have stimulated blood flow with the ginger, the cinnamon helps you tone up the skin and reduce shedding by tightening the skin around the hair follicle. It complements the ginger perfectly well. That is double stimulation effect. I bet you noticed one more thing. I also added the onions peel, and that is because it is also highly beneficial for your hair. It also contains sulfur. It contains antioxidants that help your hair grow very fast. It also strengthens your root, delivering nutrients and oxygen to your hair. So that is why I added it. For the ratio, you will need a medium-sized onion. While picking out your onions, ensure you use the purple or red onions. Do not use the white or the yellow onion because it has less sulfur. You will also need a thumb-sized fresh ginger. Do not use the powder because it no longer have the active ingredients we need. You will equally need 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic is powerful, so little goes a long way. Lastly, you will need 1 cinnamon stick. If you watch this video, I believe the preparation is self-explanatory, but let me quickly run through it. Peel the garlic and cut it into bits. If you're blending, then there is no need to cut. If you're using the fresh organic ginger, you don't need to peel off the skin. Just ensure you wash out all the impurities. Cut into bits. For the onion, peel off the skin, but ensure you reserve it because we added it to this recipe. Wash the cinnamon stick. You can also use the powder. After that, put all your ingredients together and pour in some water. You can either infuse this or boil it, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to boil it. Then let it sit on fire for about 10 minutes. On a low heat, this will ensure that it gradually infuses into the water without killing the nutrients. After 10 minutes, take it off and let it sit for additional 10 minutes. This will allow the cinnamon infuse further in order to neutralize the smell of the onion and garlic. After that, use a sieve or a cheesecloth to strain out the water. Squeeze out every drop because you will need it. The liquid is gold. Now you have your potent spray. You can pour this into your spray bottle or your applicator bottle to use. If you want to store this, ensure you store it in a glass container. The reason is the essential oil and the active compound can degrade in plastic containers. Store this in the refrigerator. It is fresh food. It will spoil. It will last at least 7 days. After that, once you notice foul smell, please throw it away. Now, how to apply? This is not a leave-in conditioner for your hands. It is for the scalp. So when applying, ensure that it gets directly into your scalp. If you're not on a protective style, ensure that you section your hair before application. Once your scalp is damp, use your finger to massage it. Massage in circular motion for at least 5 minutes. Massaging does 50% of the work. You can also do an inversion method for more blood flow. Leave the mixture on your scalp for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Do not leave it overnight. If left for too long, onions has the ability to feed bacteria. After 1 hour, use a sulfate-free shampoo to wash it off. You might need to wash your hair twice and also add apple cider vinegar to completely get off the smell. If you do not have apple cider vinegar, you can squeeze in some lemon juice. To see massive growth, you need to be consistent with this recipe. Use this at least 2 times a week. Hair growth takes time. If you can be consistent with it, within the first 1 month, you will notice baby hair. You will notice your hair start getting fuller with time. This recipe might cost a penny, but it works wonders. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also share this video to your loved ones who you think might need help with their hair. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.